Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been very long for a very long time because I was not feeling fine. Yeah, so let us just right on. Welcome to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching my video. Please I'm pleading, if you are new for the first time watching my video, you should just hit the red subscribe button down there and turn on the post notification so that when I upload any new video, you'll be the first to notify. And don't forget to share it, comment on all the social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Yeah, let's just ride on. Let me not waste much of your time. Yeah, just ride on straight up to Tizzy Panchak. Tizzy Panchak and Naira Marley, stuff like that. You have been trending all over the internet, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. When Tizzy Panchak makes a video about he's not competing with Naira Marley and stuff like that. And it really trend a lot. Yeah, you know, fans were arguing Naira Marley is more than you, Naira Marley have money more than, is more richer than you, he's a talented artist, you cannot compare with Naira Marley, blah 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 like that. Yeah, you cannot compare Naira Marley with Tizzy Panchak or Tizzy Panchak with Naira Marley because both of them are not in the same line of music. Naira Marley music is not singing the same style of music with Tizzy Panchak. How come people are comparing him with Naira Marley? Yeah, because sorry, Naira Marley is a Nigerian and is based on singing street music. Is for the street, based on street music. But Tizzy Panchak is not based on street music. Tizzy Panchak music is based on like situations happening around. Yeah, situation happening around you, those things that are happening around you that you can see, and it's like message. Tizzy Panchak is out to pass a message, like this kind of a message that will really help. Sorry. Yeah. So I don't see anything that you will go and compare Tizzy Panchak with Naira Marley or Naira Marley with Tizzy Panchak, stuff like that. Although Tizzy Panchak make a video, sorry, Tizzy Panchak make a video that is more than Naira Marley. See, if not for it, see that it's more than Naira Marley. If not for this blah blah, because he said Nigerians, they are supporting their own. It's not for Olamide, Dagrain, and some few of Nigerian artists that make Naira Marley to become who Naira Marley is. Yeah, so due to that video now, so many people, so many fans were mad. You know, fans in Cameroon that are die-hearted fans for Naira Marley in Cameroon. They were blasting Tizzy Panchak, all sort of name, calling him all sort of names. I don't think all that is necessary. You understand? We all are Africans. Yeah, we all are Africa. We should stop those hatred. It's not good. We all are African. We should come together and help each other. And Naira Marley make this on his Twitter handle. He write that he is coming to Cameroon. He will collaborate with some of the Cameroon artists to bring them on the limelight, and it went viral too again, and it just bring up the fire again in everyone. People were saying it's because of the money he's doing all those tweets, because after when he will come and collect the money, they will not hear anything from him again. Fans are mad. Although some people are supporting him and some people are not supporting him. You know, in life, in whatever you are doing, some people will be for you and some people will be against you. So just do what pleases you and put your head straight and focus on your career. So I will just play the video, the short video for Tizzy Panchak for you to listen.
With me, I don't get. Why don't you? Now, marriage is not my level. Normally.
Yo guys, so I once again say we should not be like that. All of us are Africans and one African. Yes, although you should support your own, all these things, support your own. This thing came from the time CY International, the comedian CY International, All Pancho made a video about Joe Boy, that he came to Cameroon in the 21st of February, blah blah blah, like that. I'll make a video for that too. Yeah, so those things I don't see it like, because all we are one African, we should just put our head together, we come together. Our African, although all of us are African country, we know our country is not doing well for us. Each and everyone is fighting for themselves, for their own well-being. Yeah, I know things like that is not good, but at least we should come together. We are one African. Yeah, Africa is one. We will never change it. So all those things, we should just preach about love, not fighting each other. Yeah, so guys, let's move to the next topic. Kamini, there's a trending news going on that Kamini is a lesbian. Kamini is a lesbian. Yeah, that Kamini is a lesbian. But I don't think some people are just pompous, putting their mouth into people things that does not concern them. If she is a lesbian, it does not concern you. That's her personal life. She chooses to live it. You should not say Kamini is a lesbian, like that. No. So if she is a lesbian, I don't see anything wrong with it. It's her own personal life. She will deal with it. Although some people are against lesbianism, and some people are for lesbianism. Life is a choice. We make our choice. Either you want to be here or you want to be here. You cannot be at the same place. You cannot be on two places at the same time. You will choose one. Either you are here for this moment and then the next moment you are there, and you cannot do two things at the same times. You cannot walk two paths at the same times. So if you choose to be a lesbian, it's her own life. If she chooses not to be a lesbian, it's her own life. Some people are saying it's because of her dressing code. He dressed like a man, like one American rapper. This girl broke like that. She dressed same like him. I will put just a caption of him and the American rapper, because that American rapper is a lesbian. So they say because she dressed always like her, she just looked the same like her, dressed always like her, or dressing coat like her. She did not do makeup all the time. She dressed like a man. Like a man. Okay, you want her to be exposing her body? If she exposes her body now to the public, people will say she is exposing her body. What do you want us human beings to do? Human beings are never satisfied with anything that is in this world. When you do like this, they will say no, it's not correct. When you do like this, they say no, it's not correct. That's why they say live life to the fullest. Do what pleases you. I think Kamini is doing what is pleasing him to dress. That is her own dressing code, because she is a celebrity. Yeah, she just choose. That's her own unique style of dressing. You don't want her to be okay. When she starts exposing herself, really open and proud like this, or exposing herself, you say, well, Kamini is a prostitute. Kamini is a prostitute. She is exposing her body. Meanwhile, all those things, we choose our own part. That is our own part, man. It should not be like that. We should have one Cameroonian. We should not be damning our own people. I think Kamini is not like that, because I know Kamini is a very good girl, nice girl, very simple. Yeah, it's a very simple girl. I don't think she's like that, or she's a lesbian. For me, I don't support it. I don't support any bit of that accusation of her being a lesbian. I don't support it. Kamini is a very nice girl, and I love most of her music. Love most of her music. That her Jamaican system of singing, when she is singing like the man no go die because family day, man no go die because family day. If you get somebody overseas, make you just the prayer for her. That freestyle of her, I really love that her freestyle. I'm a big fan of Kamini, so I don't see any wrong or any reason for you people should be accusing her of that she is a lesbian. My brother, dressing code cannot show Whether you are a lesbian or you are not a lesbian, all come from the heart. It's a personal decision. She can still dress like that, exposing and things like that, but she is not a lesbian. So it's not when you want, okay, if you want her to expose her body, show blah blah, okay, you want to be seeing things now. She's a unique system that I really love the style of hers. Unique. Yeah. So my brothers and sisters, that's not good. We should not judge people by their dressing or all that comes from their heart. Life is a personal decision. We do what please us. If she is doing what is pleasing her by dressing like that, that's her own dressing code. We should not judge her for that. That's what she loved to dress. That's what she loves to do. So we should not argue, judge her for that. Life is a decisions. Yo, let's move on to the next and short topic. Davido speak for Cameroon. You know this support your own thing like that. You know it was trending too much. People are talking about it. So Davido came and said, because that is Pancha. Cameroon comedian Siwa International own Pancho made a video, support your own, blah 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 like that. So all those things went trending. All Nigerians, most of Nigerians, people, fans for Nigerians, music fans, they were inboxing Siwa International, calling him all sort of name. He said they should not call him all sort of name. He said what he said. And he will not reverse it because he has already said it, and he is not afraid of anybody. So Davido make this statement, support your own. He said no, so Cameroonian are right. You must support your own first. You must support your own before any other people, any other. Yeah. So he just make this short video that Cameroon should support their own. Cameroon have nice artists. They are singing good music. The only thing is that we should support our own and make them to be what they want to be. Yeah, I don't see any reason for, I don't see any hatred for that, because although in that video he said the only person that he knows in Cameroon is Stanley Eno and Eto'o, that he did not know anybody who, when I listen to that I say, wow, for real? Only Samuel Eto'o and Stanley Eno? Wow, that means we are really behind in the entertainment industry. When it comes to entertainment, we are really behind. If he did, because he was in Cameroon, he came in Cameroon, that means he did not even know any of those two people. We are really behind. My God, my people, we are really behind. So to talk not much, you just have to stay focused. That's all. No hatred. All of us are one African. Yeah. So guys, no hatred, we should stay positive. All those positive vibes will make us to be on that level. Positive vibe, that's all I have to say. Positive vibes is the key, and love, one love Africa. Buzan. So guys, that's all I have for you today. If you are new to my channel, please, I'm pleading with you, you should just hit the right subscribe button down there and turn on the post notification, so when I upload any new video, you will be the first person to notify. Please don't forget to comment, like and share on all the social media platforms, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. I'm pleading with you, one subscription is really important for me. Guys, please, I'm pleading with you. Thanks very much. God bless you for watching my video. Goodbye.